All right, this is section 9.1. We're going to be going over solving linear equations. And as you can see, our first problem here on the left, we're given x plus 9 is equal to 13. Some of these are relatively simple. You can kind of look at them and add and figure out what needs to be added to 9 to get 13. The method that we're going to use to solve them is pretty much going through the order of operations backwards. So whatever you see, you're going to do the opposite. That is, you're going to locate where the variable is. So here's x. On the same side of the equal sign with the x, we have a plus 9. We want that 9 to go away so we can figure out what x equals. So we're going to subtract 9 from both sides of the equal sign. And positive 9 and negative 9 cancel out to be 0. So on this left side, we're left with x. Bring down the equal to. And now we just do 13 minus 9. And we can see that x is equal to 4. One of the things you want to get used to doing is checking your work. So once you get that number, take it and plug it back into your original equation. So where x was, we're going to replace it with the 4. And then do plus 9 and see if that is equal to 13. And if you add 4 plus 9, you do get that 13 is equal to 13. So that's how you check. Okay, number 2, very similar. Okay, this problem we're given that 5 is equal to b minus 13. So in the same sense, this time we find our variables on the right side. We are subtracting 13 from it. We want to get rid of that minus 13. So we're going to add 13 to cancel it out. You just do the opposite. You add 13 to both sides. Whatever you do to one side of the equal sign, you have to do to the other so that the equation remains balanced. Then the negative 13 and the positive 13 cancel to 0. We bring down our v, and that is equal to 13 plus 5, and that gives us 18. So if v is 18, we subtract 13 from it, we get 5.